Alright, thrill seekers, we're claiming 143 feet right now on Kumba at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Kumba translates to roar in the Congo language. When this ride opened back in 1993, it was the tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster in all of Florida. It even had the world's tallest vertical loop at the time, almost 4,000 feet of track, 16 miles an hour, 7 inversion. This legendary B&M opened on April 20th, 1993 and is closing on August 2nd, 2026. Busch Gardens has announced a successor called Kumba's Revenge, which will be built in the future. More details to come. Let's enjoy one final roar on Kumba.
We're gonna miss you, Kumba.